Hello everybody and welcome back to Musings by Nikki. I am here today. Happy 4th of July to all of our American friends. Today is our day of independence. I am filming this a couple of days in advance because if you watched my last video you will hear that I am moving, and so at the point that you're watching this, hopefully my craft room and my studio is completely packed up and I am only working on digitals at that point, and hopefully by the time you're watching this my sanity's still intact, because boy, I don't know about you guys, but I've only moved twice in my whole life. I know some of you are like, pshaw, I've moved, 13 or 20 times. Yeah, I've moved twice. I hate moving. I don't like it. I don't like the disruption to my life. So hopefully when we're watching this on the 4th of July, I'm happy and sane and loving it and responding to all your comments. So anyway, this is part of a hop that I am doing with my wonderful, lovely lady friends, Dee Fargo at her channel, Emily at Emma Femmer's Treasures, and Amy at Glamping and Glitter. Actually, I believe she just changed the name of her channel, which is they'll be all listed below. Anyway, and we have decided to use a My Porch Prints kit and make patriotic kind of America 4th of July themed journals. Now the kit from My Porch Prints is fantastic. I will have that listed below as well, a link to that kit. I suggest that if you like this, the look of what I've done or the look of what they've done as you hop through their videos using the kit, that you go check it out because it's a gorgeous kit. My take on the kit comes in the form of a journaler's attaché a la Tracy Fox. So I bought her course like forever long ago and then just have never actually taken the time to sit down and go through it and make one. So I was like, that's it, I'm doing it now. So that's what I did. So this is a journaler's attaché case, and it features the kit from My Porch Prints, and I'm gonna call this Letters from War, and you'll see why. It's just a patriotic take on kind of a thank you to our soldiers and our military and our armed forces that are the ones that keep us free here in America. So this features, it's a hardcover book that you use to create this. It's got this great shimmery stars and stripes fabric and some red gingham down here, and it opens up like so, and it says, "God bless America, land that I love." And then we have a little collage down here. I got a bunch of stuff from my friend Amy, who is also in this hop, and this is one of the little elements that she made me. Thank you, Amy. And then here's all the yumminess. Look at this. This is so fun to make, you guys, this attaché thing. Fun. So you can see here the side, right, where it's got all the little baffles, right? So each little pocket has some stuff in it. So let's start from the back. How about this rear pocket? I'm gonna just move it over here. It stands up on its own. So this rear pocket has 4 tags in it. So it has 2 smaller tags. And Amy also sent me some lovely bead dangles that she made, and a big red, white, and blue snippet roll. And so I've used chunks of that on these tags as well. And then I have embossed the tag with a star folder that I have, which worked perfectly for this. And then there are a couple of tags from that My Porch Prints kit in there. Same on this one. So the snippet roll makes a pocket, and there we go. So we've got 2 smaller tags, and then we have 2 of my giant tags that I found on Amazon. Amy also sent me like a small handbook constitution little booklet. So I've used the first page of the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution here. and those are journaling on the back. And then on the pocket is some of the snippet roll and a little Tim Holtz card. So that goes in there. And then same thing here, snippet roll, Tim Holtz card, and this becomes a journaling card. You can definitely journal there and on the back here as well. So those are in the first, I guess this is like the back pocket, right? Those are in the back pocket. The next pocket up actually has a journal in it. So this journal is completely unembellished because first of all, there's an ephemera folder in here so you can do some of the embellishing yourself. But second of all, if I had put any embellishment in this, this poor thing would not have closed. So this just is totally a lot of writing space. And like I said, there's ephemera in here, like those tags and stuff that you can use to decorate it. These images come from the My Porch Prints kit. And then and so does this. This is the background page, like one of the writing pages. And then I have put some vintage music paper from a children's book. And this is some of my daughter Joy's coffee stained paper. And then I also have a book called My Flag and Yours. And so there's some of those pages in here. This is from a wonderful paper pad. So this kind of has a little bit of a military theme. These are the different branches of our service. This has a camouflage cover, obviously, and you'll see why I've kind of gone with that theme in a minute. These pages are from Amy as well. Thank you, Amy, for all of the generous happy mail you sent when we were getting ready to do this. More of those. And then these are just more of those gorgeous kit pages. She's faded out the preamble in the background. This page, I love this. So this is at center. And there's some more of it. Now, there are a ton more pages that I didn't use in this one because I was going to make a second journal, but did not. I just did not have time because of the whole, moving thing. So I will fully intend to make a second journal that'll be an actual journal using a bunch of the more pages. So in this one, I've just used a lot of the star pages and the background pages. And then there's the back of the journal. So you could totally decorate this however you want, using some of the ephemera pieces that I've included, or using your own ephemera pieces or your own memorabilia. Maybe you have a son or daughter or husband or wife or child or whoever in the armed forces. You could put your own letters in there. So that goes in the second pocket. In the third pocket here, we get to why I'm calling it Letters for More, is because, again, I'm kind of just taking the 4th of July on the Independence and Armed Forces theme, and I have had these sitting in my collection for a long time. So I made this pouch here. This is an image from the My Porch Prints kit, and in here are 4 actual letters from a woman, Edie, to her husband, Charles Wack, who was in the 1672 Engineer Utilities Detachment. And she sent these letters. These are letters from her to him. He kept them all, and I was blessed to get a bundle of them. Oh, and see, I want to be really careful opening it so I can show you one. And they're just her letters to him about come home safe to me. And here, look at this one, has all of her little X's, like kisses, spelling out I love you, I love you, all of my love and kisses, your Edie. Oh my goodness, you guys. So, and these are from 1945 and 46. So there are 4 actual, of her actual letters in here. I just think they're awesome and I love reading them. So I have carefully stuck them in this pouch. I've made this little pouch for Edie's letters to Charles. Oh, I love that. So those go in the third pouch here. In the fourth one is an ephemera folder. Excuse me, I just like whacked my camera. This is an ephemera folder with a bunch of different pieces of ephemera from the kit and from the paper pad that I used. So these are a couple of tags from the kit. And then I did use a paper pad as well, and it came with some cut-aparts. So some vintage service images and stuff. So I've stuck those in there as well, and they are journaling cards. And then pockets. There's a bunch of pockets and stuff all over here. This front page here is also a pocket, and in it, it has a couple of pieces from the My Porch Prints kit. Then inside here, this is a side pocket with a couple more pieces in there. And these are all My Porch Prints images. Then in this little pocket up here, we have a couple little fold-out tags. And then in this pocket is another, make sure I'm staying in frame here. And behind it, there's another pocket. This is from My Porch Prints. This is from the cut apart pad. This is a My Porch Prints pocket back here. And in it, I have a long tag using a piece of the paper from there. Oh, and a second tag. I forgot this goes in there when I pulled it all out. And there's journaling space on the back. And then on the back, this unties, and there's a little envelope, glassine envelope, with some authentic, actual vintage ration stamps. So these are different ration stamps that they would have used to be able to get whatever it was that they were getting at the store. So we have little ration stamps. Those are pretty cool. And then in this envelope, there are, which is attached to the ephemera folder, there are a couple of large journaling cards in here as well. So that goes down and that goes here, and then they tie up. Ooh, sorry about that, guys. Mosquito. I had to get it because otherwise it would have bit me. Minnesota, we're in the land of mosquitoes. Alright, so that goes in this pocket. Then, oh no, just kidding, I put it in the same pocket. There we go. Then in the front pocket, in the last pocket, there are two mini journals, and these are slightly embellished. So these covers are in the My Porch Prints kit, and they actually come like little journal covers like this. And then I've just backed one of the tags from the kit with some muslin and made it a tiny little journal. These are pockets, and then here's a little mini version of the Declaration of Independence. And then I've used some of my daughter Joy's polka dot coffee stain paper to make a little mini journal. And then these are pieces of ephemera from the My Porch Prints kit. Here's another one. These are from Amy as well, some little die cuts. Another little tag. I love this little pocket. And then here's an envelope, a coin envelope, and I've just put a journaling card in here. And in the back there is another pocket with another tag. Love that one. So, mini journal. And then here's the other mini journal. And this one ties shut with some of that sparkly stars and stripes material that I've just ripped down into strips. And then in the front pocket we have a couple of tags. And again, it's just a little mini embellished journal. A little pocket with a tag. This is another envelope that's got a card in there. That's the Constitution. And in the back, we've got another journaling card from the kit. So there you go. That is the second little mini embellished journal. And then those go back into the attaché. So it is filled with all kinds of fun goodies inside of there. And there's tabs on there are tabs on the different pages or pieces here and stuff. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this flip through of the Americana journal. Again, right now, just want to give a shout out and a big thank you to anybody who has served in our armed forces, or any armed forces across the world, for that matter. We are big supporters of our military and armed forces here in our household, so we'd like to give our hats off. We have several members of our family that have been in the service or are in the service currently, and we appreciate them all and are very grateful for our freedoms here. So happy 4th of July to all my American friends. And look, I just love playing with the fringes on the edge of this. This will be in my shop when this video airs, and I hope that you guys are all having a wonderful holiday. If you are doing anything, going out, seeing fireworks or anything, stay safe. If you're having barbecues and stuff, enjoy, have fun. And yeah, thanks for stopping by and watching. Make sure you hop over to the other ladies' channels if you haven't already and look at their versions of this kit, because I'm sure that they have done lovely work as well. I've been seeing sneak peeks of it all along, so I'm looking forward to going over and seeing all their videos right now too. And like I said, have a wonderful afternoon, evening, morning, middle of the night, whatever time it is, on whatever side of this globe it is, and whether it's a regular Saturday for you or it's a 4th of July federal holiday for you. I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you guys again. I don't want to say soon because I'm not really sure, because, you know, moving. So I will see you guys all again at some point in the near future. And until then, take care, guys. Stay safe. God bless. Bye-bye.